Okay, so this is my sort of 15 and a bit square foot or less than 1.5 meter sewing space in my living room. And this is how I have it organized. This is a vintage cabinet, which is folded out. A mat for rotary cutting that is 17 by 11 or whatever that is in metric. Sort of what, 42 or something by about 44, 45 centimeters long. And I have a spotlight here. I mean, this is I've just done it from stuff that I had. So this is my main machine that's on top of the Singer that's in the case. This is for maintenance of the machine and an embroidery ring, which I haven't used. But the most important thing is the rack. Now, this I just found, but I've seen IKEA has them. Now I have this covered, and I mean, you can cover this. I have it covered because I have a bird that likes to bite it. See, as soon as I take it off, she's come to... Anyway, you see. So this isn't the greatest way to hang it up, but those are wall plugs. Those are things drilled into the wall to hold it up. I've reinforced each run because this is old. I think it was outside. And then I've just hung with S-rings, which are invaluable, racks that I had around the house. So this has all my hand sewing. This is scraps. Those are just little clips that you can use. Which are down there. Okay, so let's go from top to bottom. These are two, okay, helpful. What do you call those? Pipes. So this is magnetic, and that just sticks on there. So that's for like orders. This is for hanging my current project. This is for related scraps of my current project. Related things of my current project go on little bags to hang here right in front. That's my cabbage bag. Now here is the see-through bags are very useful. That's a seam jumper. This is for the credit card has the same purpose as the key, which is making seams. That is my decorative stitch and zigzag stitch reference. How to make a buttonhole. That is, well, you can see it's shoelace stretchy stuff for mask making, which I rigged up under there, which, yeah, comes out easily. Pin cushions, clips, yeah, this that I would need. That's, again, stuff that I've found that the clear is useful. That's a clip-on bag that has my chalk in it. This has my needles and used needles. This is my scissors that's in a mug that I can't use because it cracks. Clips for holding onto the side of masks, and that is my string. That's my garbage, which is easy, like it just slides in, and my string is on the bottom there. Okay, that's just an extra spool. I don't need it when the other spool's there. That's my spool, the main one that comes up here through a clip. Get off of there. And yeah. So that's the space. And I sit at a stool. I have another stool that I use just to put the masks in. And I have another little table here. I don't use it that often. I just got it, really. If you have like a lot of material, you know, so it doesn't pull when you're sewing, you can rest it on there. You can put some material there and here. But this just, that's the case for the Bernina. So yeah, that's just over 15 square feet, or just under, how did I say, about 1.5 meters. And that is the space. That is, and that, you know, the S-rings are very useful. So it's quite organized. Of course, I have my materials and stuff elsewhere, and I cut on the dining room table, and I iron on the bed or on the ironing board.